In today's tutorial, I am going to show you exactly how to move nodes in Inkscape. Whether you are a beginner looking to refine your shapes or an advanced designer needing precise path control, mastering node manipulation is the single most important skill you can learn in vector illustration. Node editing allows you to transform simple paths into complex artwork with absolute precision. If this video helps you out today, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more Inkscape tips. Let's dive right in. To start, we need to prepare our objects. Open Inkscape and select the Node tool from the left toolbar, or simply press the N key on your keyboard. With the Node tool active, click on any path to reveal its nodes. If you are working with a basic shape like a square or a circle, or even a line of text, you will notice you can't see the individual nodes right away. To fix this, press Ctrl plus Shift plus C. This command converts your object into a path, which is necessary for manual node manipulation. Now that your nodes are visible as small squares, let's look at how to move them. The most basic method is freehand dragging. Simply click and hold any node with the Node tool and drag it to any new position on your canvas. This is great for quick adjustments. However, if you need more control, you should use constrained movement. While you are dragging a node, hold down the Control key. This locks the movement to a perfectly horizontal or vertical line, ensuring your alignments stay consistent. For times when your mouse isn't precise enough, you should use keyboard nudging. Select one or more nodes and use the arrow keys on your keyboard. Each press moves the nodes by a very small, precise increment. If you need to cover more ground quickly, hold the Shift key while using the arrow keys. This performs a large nudge, moving the selected nodes in 10 times increments. This is perfect for maintaining symmetry across your design. Beyond just the nodes themselves, you can also move entire segments. Click and drag the actual line between two nodes. When you do this, the line bends, and Inkscape automatically adjusts the Bezier handles of the connected nodes to maintain the curve. Speaking of handles, you can click on any node to reveal its circular handles. To change the curvature of a path without actually moving the node's location, simply drag these circular handles. For more organic shapes, try proportional sculpting. Select a group of nodes, then hold the Alt key while dragging one of them. This creates a smooth bell curve shift, where the node you are dragging moves the most and the surrounding nodes follow by a smaller proportional amount. To ensure your nodes are perfectly aligned, use the snapping feature. You can toggle snapping on and off at any time by pressing the % key. This is incredibly useful for aligning nodes with other parts of your path or a grid system. If you have a specific group of nodes to move in a complex area, hold Alt and drag your mouse to use the Lasso selection tool. This lets you draw a selection around precisely the nodes you want to move. Remember, you can also select all nodes on a path by pressing Ctrl plus A once the path is active. Mastering these shortcuts like N for the tool, the % key for snapping, and the arrow keys for nudging will significantly speed up your workflow. You now have all the tools necessary to professionally move and manipulate nodes in Inkscape. If you found this guide useful, please hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel and stay updated on our latest design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.